Hey guys, what's up? After another week of the car, we had the AC issue last week. Well, come to find out, I had to hobble a vacuum line together until I can find the right one. That one works, it's sealing. I got a random misfire event, and I brought the RPMs up and I heard a pretty good vacuum leak here from the purge side. So, replace that. The vacuum's holding really good now. Still trying to figure out the elusive cylinder 4 misfire. I'm going to end up probably sending my other 6 injectors off and having them cleaned and put new injectors in it. Which, on these cars, it's really easy to change the injectors. But this is just another update on the saga of this car. Fun to drive, but working out all the kinks.